Hello and welcome once again to the Rugged Rockhound. Now that I've got that bigger saw, I got a lot of larger rocks to cut open, and I think it's time to get into those. So let's do it. Let's get a cutting video with some bigger stuff. In the background you can see a bunch of things I still need to cut. Anyway, let's start off with this one. It was some of the kind of that reddish agate from the Levan area where it was mostly black agate. Anyway, I wanted to see if it went in. Yes, it did, in a few little spots. But that stuff is really fractured. But it still looks really neat. Good old jasper nodule from the San Rafael Swell. What do you have for us? Not much, just the kind of the classic reds, oranges. So, not great, but okay. Let's go with some Levan black agate. This one you could already see looked nice right there across the top. It broke there a little bit, but it looks pretty nice. The part that has the black agate is really nice. Yeah, let me stack them like that. There we go. Next up, a good old Dugway geode. And this is one of those unfortunate ones where they fill in with dirt, basically. They fill in with this other stuff, and I mean, it looks interesting. You can see the broken pieces of the lava flow that got stuck in it, but not quite what we're going for there. This one was a little bit more unusual San Rafael Swell material. It has those circles that look cool when you kind of cut into them, so I thought, why not? Oh, well, you can see a few of the circles that it did cut through, but a lot of it's just that. I think those are actually just really small circles. Here is some of that red agate from the swell area that's a little further north that we went to. Come on, this one should be good. Yeah, look at that. That is some beautiful red agate. Ah, that's a nice piece. Here is some of the jasper agate stuff that came from, was this the Little Moab area, or was this the Drum Mountain? I'm not actually sure. It's probably Drum Mountain, though. Look at that. Ooh, that's a nice piece. Some more Levan black agate. I've got a lot of black agate to go through, so there's probably going to be quite a few of these in the videos to come. Oh, that is a nice... You would never have thought that would be right there. Oh, that's a nice part. That is so cool that I happened to cut right across that. Wow, that's nice. So far, the San Rafael Swell jasper nodules have been kind of disappointing. Come on, a little better. All right, that's better. Oh, yeah. So it looks like mostly selenite crystals, but then right up here, we're getting some celestite. See that bluer color? More blue. There's just some celestite. And the final one for today is this. I'm thinking this might be some petrified wood from one of the places I went to. Let's take a closer look. Yep, that's petrified wood. That's pretty sweet. More of a brown wood, but you got a lot going on in there. And that's it for today. I just wanted to get through a few and get excited about the bigger pieces, the new saw, and everything. And look at all this stuff we still have to go through. Quite a bit. And that's not even all of it. I still have a few more things, buckets to get out of the garage and sort through. So we got a lot to look forward to. I hope you enjoyed those. Until next time, remember, there is treasure everywhere.